Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: updated Camo app on phone and Camo Studio on your PC. Plug the phone into the computer with a good USB cable. This ensures stable bandwidth and power. When the phone prompts to trust the computer or enable data transfer, accept it, otherwise the desktop won't see the device. Once connected, open Camo Studio. The app will search automatically. If it doesn't appear, replug and watch for the trust prompt you might have dismissed. Now configure the live connection. In Camo Studio, choose the USB transport option so the phone streams directly. You'll adjust resolution and frame rate. Higher settings improve image but increase CPU and USB throughput, so balance them based on your machine. Use the exposure and focus controls to fix brightness and sharpness. Lock settings once happy to avoid flicker. If you need audio, enable microphone pass-through so your phone's mic routes through the USB link. Once done, test in a video call app. Finish by selecting Camo as your camera inside the video conferencing or recording app, then record a short test clip to confirm video and audio sync. Position the phone on a stable mount and secure the USB cable to avoid movement and intermittent disconnects, because physical strain often causes dropped frames. If you run into problems, restart both Camo Studio and the phone app. Toggle the phone's USB mode to file transfer, then back to charging/data, and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.